Guys, John, Chicken Chip Farms again. We're still at Cleveland RV. Cleveland RV is a new Shasta RV dealer. They do have R-Pod and some other ones. They're new campers they sell. This is one of their smaller units without a slide. So there's some information on it here. You guys, hopefully you can see that. I don't know how big a pain in the butt it is to see this stuff. I said these are a lot more base model than like your Jaycos or your Pumas, Heartland, Forest River, things like that. Pretty comparable, I guess, to like a Coachman. But you get your 2 propane tanks, your battery, side battery storage. They do have power jacks on almost everything here that I've seen as far as their new units are concerned. It's got your pet, this little leash center there. It's always nice. Large under bunk storage here all the way through. Power awning. So most all these models have a power awning. They also have gutters, rain gutters, and these steps. These are nice, the solid steps. Really like those. There's your outside TV connections cable and your outside GFI. I apologize for the road noise, guys. We are right off the highway. Freshwater fill, city water connection. Or no, this is your antifreeze for winterization here. That's what you get with it. So it does have nitro-filled tires. Tell by the green caps there. 5-year warranty on the tires. 2-year complimentary roadside assistance. And your first year no excuses guarantee. That's nice. This is probably an outdoor kitchen if I had to guess, but I'm not guessing. I'm just going to check it out here. Yep. Small outside kitchen, guys. Has a pull-out shelf here for your you can put your little cooktop on it. You got your GFI there. You got a small sink. Now this is a different style sink. It has no plumbing, guys. It has water that comes out, but then you have to dump this. It has no drain in it. And a small dorm style fridge. It's 120 volt. It is not propane or a 12 volt. It's only 120. But it is nice to have. Oh, this also has the magnetic holds here instead of the little clips that always get broke off. That's a nice touch, guys. Very nice. So. Does not have LED lights. Does have a cargo carrier for generator, extra luggage. Some people use them for kayaks and all kinds of stuff. So, right there. Spare tire, also nitrogen fill. Already has a backup camera installed. That is nice. As I say, a lot of these are pre-wired for it. There's your power inlet. It's 30 amp power source. This is all your sewer connections are under here, guys. Right there. This is your furnace exhaust, your city water connection, outdoor shower. And this is your water heater. Cable and satellite TV inlets. And here is your pre-wired solar plug. So it's already wired for solar. And this is the other side to the pass-through. Alright, let's go inside and take a look. Alright guys, this also has the nice hinges that keep it from blowing closed on you. Nice grab handle here. Looks like linoleum flooring. I said this unit does not have a slide, guys, so a nice convertible sofa here on the side as you come in. This will make a bed. A dinette here also makes a bed. So you got a small kitchen here. Stainless appliances are nice. Very large double sink. 3-burner stove. with oven. So the propane stove and oven here. Got your vent hood here, stainless steel microwave up top, and these are nice storage up top and over the dinette. This is a brand new camper, 2022. I said they are a licensed Shasta dealer, and they also deal in, I believe it's R-Pod. That's your thermostat for your heat and your AC. There's your awning controls, as well as your gauges for your tanks. Here's some of your lighting for the living room. It's just push button lighting, water pump. And this is your gas and electric water heater. It's pretty nice. It has both. And Bluetooth connect. So you can actually control this with your phone. Really cool. Here's the bedroom up front, queen size bed. Actually can walk between it. That's nice. Your backer is in here behind the wall, so you can mount a TV right here in your corner. Here's your power and your cable inlet here for your TV. Down here you do have 2 USB connections and another power outlet. Small little cubby there. Should be a hanging closet. Yes sir, nice deep hanging closet. Overbed storage on both sides. 2 more USB plugs here and your power outlet. Roof ducted AC, all LED lighting. In case you guys are wondering, you've got a slide door here to keep you, give you a little bit of privacy in here. So there's your AC unit, your LED lighting in here. All roof ducted AC. There's your sound bar, comes with it. This had a TV in here, but I guess they needed it because it's not here anymore. But there is a backer back here. This is where you would mount your TV. Power plugs, there's your cable and satellite inlet. And there's pre-wired for Bluetooth. Got some nice bunks here. They also have LED lighting here. 2 USBs for the top, a small basket, which I'm guessing will be hold your phones, tablets, things like that for your kids. This is a double bunk, nice full-size bed on the top and on the bottom here. Same thing here, 2 USB plugs and a basket for your electronics. Have a stainless fridge. Pretty good size freezer too, guys. It's nice. Large size refrigerator for a camper this size. Pantry storage, towels, things like that. Over here's the drawers. That's your furnace. And your bathroom. A pretty decent sized bathroom for this little camper. So it's your toilet here. Nice sized shower. I said it's a big boy's bathroom. Something I can actually use. I said it's always limited on your counter space though. I said this would probably be a good spot for a flip out, especially for your wife. A little bit of storage there. This is not a wet bath, in case you guys were wondering. Here's a small medicine cabinet. GFI here. Light switch. And fan. Small basket. But no, it's not a wet bath, guys. You could close the curtain when you shower in here. So I said decent size. No slide. Definitely half-ton truck towable camper here. Fairly roomy the way the layout is here. Let's see what we got. Some information on it, which you probably won't be able to see because my phone doesn't know how to focus. Tells you a little bit about it here too. It's Cleveland RV in Cleveland, Georgia. I'll put all their information in the description. This is a 2022 Forest River Shasta Oasis 26 bunkhouse. That's what the BH stands for. Selling price of $24,995. So if you guys are in the market for a nice small camper, family size camper that's easily half-ton towable, this is definitely a nice one to come take a look at. It's plenty of room in it without having a slide. As you know, sometimes you got to worry about the slide it's going in and out, getting stuck out, things like that. So low maintenance. Definitely come take a look. It's got a lot of upgrades, a lot of options at a pretty decent price. Appreciate it, guys.